Good morning, students. I hope you all are feeling safe. Stay home, stay safe, and be concentrate on your study as well. So today we will continue exercise 6.2 with question number 4. Three parts of this question we have done. Today we will do fourth part of this question. So first is 4 into 3 raised to power 4 multiply 2 raised to power 4 upon 2 into 2 raised to power 5. This is a statement simple. We can reduce them. This is 4, 3 raised to power 4, 2 raised to power 4, 2 multiply 2 raised to power 5. This 2 to the 4, we can reduce it. Now we have 2 as a base. Here again 2 as a base. 2 by 4 divided by 2 raised to power 5. 2 raised to power 4 divided by 2 raised to power 5. We can reduce it because bases are same. When bases are same and we have to divide it, power will be subtracted. So now if we want to reduce it, here we have 2 raised to power 4 and 2 raised to power 5. So if we subtract 5 minus 4 minus 5, it will be minus 2. Minus 2 will be written as a denominator place. So 2 raised to power 1 means 5 minus 4, it is 1. We can reduce it. Again, if the power is missing, it means having power 1, 2 raised to power 1. Here again we have 2 raised to power 1. It can be reduced with 1. We have left only 3 raised to power 4. This is the answer. Listen to it again. We can reduce 2 to the 4. It can be reduced easily. But here 2 raised to power 4 and 2 raised to power 5. When we have divided, power will be subtracted. For subtraction, 5 minus 4, 1. 1 we will write at denominator place because 2 raised to 5 greater number is at denominator place. So 2 raised to power 1. Again we can reduce 2 raised to power 1 with 2 raised to power 1. So we have left only 3 raised to power 4. Same as next part. 7 raised to power 2 multiply 11 raised to power 6 into 3. 11 raised to power 3 into 147. So 7 square 11 raised to power 6 3 11 raised to power 3 into 147. It can be reduced easily. 4 3s are 12, 9 3s are 27, 49. Now here we have 7 square. 7 square means 7 7s are 49, or we can expand it. We can write in this way also, 7 multiply 7. Now we can reduce 7 7s are 49, again 7 1s are 7. Now we have left only 11 raised to power 6, 11 raised to power 3. Same bases are there and division is there. We have to subtract these parts. 11 raised to power 3, 6 minus 3, we have left only 11 raised to power 3. And this way we can solve it. Because if bases are same, multiplication is there, we have to add the parts. But if division is there, this upon this, understood it is division. If division is there and the parts are same, we have to subtract these parts. So by solving this is the answer, 11 raised to power 3. Next part of this question, sixth part of question number 4. 3 raised to power 6 multiply a raised to power 5, 9 raised to power 2, a raised to power 3. Now this question can be done in 2 ways. Either you can expand them, means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 6 times we can write 3 and 2 times we can write 9. In this way, either we can make these parts same. if we make the power same, it will be easier, because 3 raised to power 6, a raised to power 5. Now 9, here we have 9. 9 we can make base as 3. 3 3s are 9. Like 3 3. 3 power 1, 3 power 1. 3 3s are 9. So if we want to do in exponential form, 3 raised to power 2. 9 we can write in this way also. So 3 raised to power 2. This is only exponential form of 9, but already we have power 2 in this way. Then a raised to power 3. Now power, again power. First of all, we multiply power with power. 3 raised to power 6, a raised to power 5. Now multiply these powers. 3 raised to power 4, a raised to power 3. Now division is there. We can reduce it by subtracting the powers. A raised to power 2, 5 minus 3, 2. Again 3 raised to power 2, 6 minus 4, 2. Now we have left 3 square multiply a square. Now powers are common. We can take power common. 3a square we can write in this way. Listen it again. If power is maximum and bases are not same, more power is there, we can write in this way: 3 multiply 3 multiply 3, but it will be very large. So we can make the base same. 9 we can make as base 3. Easily we can make 9 is 3 3s are 9, 3 raised to power 2. But already we had the power 2, 9 raised to power 2. So powers and powers they multiplied. So in this way you can solve this question. Now question number 5. Fifth question, find the value of x. Value of x. First part, 2 by 7 raised to power minus 3 multiply 2 by 7 raised to power minus 11 equal to 2 by 7 raised to power 7x. We have to find the value of x. First of all, multiplication is there and the bases are same. If bases are same, multiplication is there. We have to add these parts. So 2 by 7, power will remain same. Minus 3 plus minus 11 equal to 2 by 7 raised to power 7x. Now 2 by 7 minus 3 minus 11, it will be minus 14. Same signs are there, so we have to add, having with bigger sign. 2 raised to power 7 raised to power 7x. 2 upon 7 raised to power 7x. Now bases are same. If same bases are there, then powers will be equal. Already we have done in previous exercise. So bases are same, powers are equal. 7x. We have to find the value of x. So x is equal to minus 14. 7 can be written in this way. 7 2s are. So x is equal to minus 2. This is we have to find. This is the answer. Simple addition, multiplication is there, bases are same. We have to add these powers. So if bases are same, powers will be equal. So this equation can be done. If power will be equal, so 7x minus 14. In this way we can find the value of x. Second part of the same question. Next, second part. One by 5 raised to power minus 3. 1 by 5 raised to power minus minus 5 equal to 1 by 5 raised to power x. Again same bases are there, multiplication is there. We can add these parts. Minus 3 plus minus 5 equal to 1 by 5 raised to power x. 1 by 5 raised to power minus 3 minus 5 minus 8 1 by 5 raised to power x. Now same bases are there, powers will be equal, so x is equal to minus 8. Directly we can find. This is the answer. Now question number 6.